The doormat signal. You want to know the real reason mean people keep bothering you? It's not just because they're jerks. It's because you are sending a signal, a loud, clear message that says, "You can walk all over me." Most of you don't even realize you're doing it. But the second you fix this, the world flips. Toxic people vanish, and high-value people start treating you with the respect you deserve. Wait, friends, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe and move ahead. Stop feeding the trolls, the 3-second rule. Here is your first big mistake: you react. When someone says something sideways to you, your face changes, your voice shakes, and you start defending yourself. Stop. Toxic people feed on reactions. It is literally food to them. When you get upset, they win because they just proved they can control your emotions with a few words. Next time someone tries to push your buttons, try the 3-second rule. Stay dead silent. Look at them like they are the most boring thing you've ever seen. Count to 3 in your head: 1, 2, 3. Then say something flat like, "Okay," or "cool." Watch their brain short circuit. If you aren't fun to mess with, they'll stop. The explanation trap. Weak people explain everything. "I did this because," "I couldn't come because." When you give long stories, you sound guilty, even when you've done nothing wrong. You're essentially begging for their permission and agreement. Stop explaining yourself. If someone asks why you made a choice, give them 5 words. Because that's what I chose. Period. No backstory. No defending. If they push you, repeat it. That's what I chose. Strong people own their choices. They don't need a jury to approve them. Access is a privilege, not a right. You let people disrespect you, cancel plans last minute, or talk down to you, and then you do nothing. Their brain learns that there are 0 consequences for treating you like trash. You don't fix this by screaming. You fix it by pulling back. If they're rude, they lose access to you. Take longer to text back. When they ask for a favor, you're busy. When they want to hang out, you have other plans. You aren't being mean. You are teaching them that disrespect costs them your time. Your energy is valuable. Start acting like it. Respect being liked. Here is the hard truth. As long as you're scared of people not liking you, they own you. Toxic people can smell that desperation from a mile away. Listen, if everyone likes you, it means you're being fake. It means you're saying yes when you want to say no. Stop trying to win them over. If they don't like you, so what? When you stop caring about being nice and start caring about being respected, the manipulators will leave because you aren't an easy target anymore. The ultimate power move. The ultimate power move is being genuinely okay being alone. Stop chasing people. Stop being the one who always texts first or tries to keep a dying friendship on life support. Pull back and live your own life. Watch what happens. The toxic ones will disappear like smoke because you aren't giving them attention anymore. But the good ones? The ones who actually value you. They'll step up. They'll reach out. Pick one of these things to do this week. Stop reacting, stop explaining, or start creating consequences. Do it once and watch the atmosphere change. You aren't a doormat anymore. You've got this.